So good morning all of you, again welcome back to the video series. Now let us we move towards some more comments and some more tabs. I have not explained about the project tab and erase tab in the previous, but we will see in the next later. Okay, now we will come to move and copy a command of the line or edge tab. Okay, this is as it is. The move and copy, there are two different operations. Either if I pick the edge and if I move it, if I try to move it and I have given the translate, so one here I will give it as a 3, and if I give the apply here, then it will shift it from here to here. Okay, it means that it hasn't been moved. Okay, for that now I am going to undo it again, and now I am going to take a copy of that one. Okay, this is similar like in the previous what we have done for the vertices. Okay, if we want some more copies, I want 3 copies with respect to, and 3 copies with respect to 2 meter apart with respect to coordinate system 1, and with respect to x-axis it will come here. Okay, apply. Okay, these are the 3 copies. Okay, 3 copies of the our geometry. Like this we can reduce the complexity of the geometry and try to, in minimum time we can try to whole geometry. Means we can create the geometry in minimum time. Okay, there is no loss of time here, and there is no loss of strength also. Okay, as it is, there will be translate and rotate. It will rotate, get rotated. Like this, there are some more operations, you can see it. I don't want to explain because I have explained already. If you haven't seen this, go to my previous video. I have explained each and every in the previous videos. Now I will close it, and again I want to go for the alignment. It is like a similar. I want to align these to this with respect to with respect to this point. Okay, with respect to this point. Okay, it will get aligned. Okay, as it is. Okay. Like this, the alignment command will work for the edges. Now to close again, I will do undo for it. Here some more operations which we have to concentrate are here. What you are seeing here, this is one is the split edge, another one is the merge the edge. Split edge help you to make the number of parts in a single edge. I will try to make it. So this telling us to decide a edge. I will take this as an edge, and its type is real. Okay, yes, it is type is real. If you have a virtual edge, okay, then you can, like the virtual vertices, there will be a virtual edges are them. Okay, now point is there. What you are locating, this is the point which you accessing here. Okay, if I pressing by middle button and shift, you can move it. As you are seeing, this is the what you call u value. What you are seeing, if I get vary here, there will be some value. Okay, now I will give a definite value for this one, that is 0.5. okay, 0.5. I want to split at the value of u at 0.5. Now I will apply this. Okay, see, there will be sections has been happened. One is this, another one is this. If again we try to split them, then we again make as previous steps. Okay, this is about the how to split the edges. Now again I want to make this. This is the point. Again I want to split. There will be some more parts has been happened here. Okay, this is how we have to split the edges. Now again come to the next command, that is the merge the edges. It is exactly opposite of the splitting the edges. Here we have splitted the single edges into number of parts, but the merge edges will help to combine all the parts into a single edge. Okay, this is, as you are seeing, created the vertex 18 has been created, edge 5 was splitted, and edge 9 is created. A new edge is created and one vertex is created. That what they are saying. If I combine these edges, let me see what happen. Okay, I will combine this edge and this. Okay, a reverse operation. It asking us to, if both are real, then we can go for the real and virtual. If both are virtual, then we go for the virtual tolerance. Okay, for now it is correct. Now I will apply it. Here, as you are seeing it, the two edges becomes a single edge as it is here. See what they are saying: edge merge and edge 5, edge 9. Edge 5 and edge 9 are merged by forcibly merged two edges and created a edge 5, means a single edge 9 is eliminated and edge 2 is get form a created edge 5. Okay, and now again I want to create the single edge by two edges. Okay, by merging them. That's what is, it is exactly opposite of the what we done in the split edge. Now come to this. There are two, one is the smooth and real. This is not much mandatory because we use in the precision, but convert the edges. Okay, convert the edges will help us to convert the one edge which is in the form of virtual into real, as it is here. If I try to split the edge, let me see, if I try to split this edge into parts, it becomes the two parts. Now I will combine these two parts into a virtual edge. Apply this, become you see here's its color, it is like a dark yellow. Okay, so it becomes a virtual, but we want a real edge here. Okay, so we go for the this one, convert the edges, and I will select it and I will apply, so it becomes the real edge. So this will help us to convert edges, help us to convert the virtual edges to the real edges. Okay, this is the application. Now again, I is nothing but the summarize, check, query and total. Now it's time to describe about these 2 points. Okay, this I have described in the previous lecture, but now it is time to him. This there are many 2 comments here. One is the modify color and then one is the modify label. Okay, modify label, as you are seeing, this is the label, and modify label help us to rename the model, rename the label. Okay, next modify the color, in the sense as your for the real edges, this is the yellow color. If you want to modify into a different color, then you can be modify with the help of modify color. Okay, for the edges you select some color from here and you can make it. So it is for the better visualization purpose, but by default it takes some color. I will recommend you to keep as it is the color or color which is from the defaults. Okay, now come to this one. In the previous, this is also command is there, that is the erase or delete. Okay, I will explain you. So erase or delete will help you to eliminate the necessary elements from the workspace. Okay, if I pick the edge deleter, it will try to eliminate the edges as delete edges here. So it asking to pick the edges. I will pick these 2 edges and I will convert into lower geometry. Okay, let me tell you, it is as it is converted into lower geometry and apply. It means that there will be neither points here nor the line. Okay, I will again undo it, this here. Now come to here, I will select the 2 edges and I will uncheck the lower geometry. Okay, uncheck the lower geometry in the sense, without considering the lower geometry, you can delete the edges. Okay, if I apply them, see here, these vertices remain at the same position. Okay, what you are seeing, these edges are remain in the same position. Here the only lines are eliminated or edges are eliminated. If you check the lower geometry, then it will eliminate all the things. If you uncheck it, it will keeps the lower geometry as it is. Okay, this is about the erase or delete button. This is for the today's video. We will see some more comments and some more tabs in the future video. And by the way, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.